Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to learn how to set up time on your Fiat 500. Okay, I changed the battery, so then the time was reset to default, so I'm gonna switch it on. You can see now that's the thing. And I'm gonna mute I didn't want that music to be in this video. I'm switching off. Okay, I switched off the music. You can see time, it's wrong. So what you do, you can see these buttons here, the three buttons. You can click on which says menu. You can see if I click it, it blinks there, it says time. I press it, it says time. Then you go to the ones up. Let me see. It's a little bit challenging. You press that menu, then it shows you that daylight, whatever, off, on, leave that. I'm still pressing the menu thing. So now I press that exit menu, beep, trip, time, set time. You can see that, set time. Then if you click menu, it will set time. So on time, time mode, then you click menu again. Then you see 21, I'm gonna make it 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 14, yeah. Then we go to 14, then we press again menu, so it will blink the minutes. Then you start putting I'm gonna make it 52. Yeah, 52. I'm done. Then you press menu again. Okay, when you press menu, it means it's fine. Then time is done. Okay, you press menu, then you set time, then press the arrow, trip, whatever. So that is done 100%. But I'm gonna go to menu back. I wanna see. Okay, let me see. Bag. Okay, passenger bag, service, button volume, buzzer volume, language, units, auto close, see radio, set date. You see, then you go to set date, you press menu. So when you set menu, to give you the date. So you have to know what is the date today. Then I'm gonna check on the phone and see what is the date today. Probably it should be, I'm not that sure, but let me see. 20 should be 27, 28. Yeah, okay. The year 2021. Okay. Oh wow, what is that? Oh, I'm gonna go back. Say 2001, 2020. Yes, 2021. You press menu again, so it takes you to, whenever I want to change something, you press menu, then you go to those arrows. You can see those arrows, they want to this way. But you want to, once you're done with that, then you press menu. After menu, then you do. So I wanna to August, you see, I'm pressing that button, the up button, so it went August. We get that. You see, now I'm done with that. So I'm gonna press menu. When I press menu, it blinks the what? The day. So I'm gonna set it 20. At least this should be 27, 28. I think it's 28. 28 somewhere there. Yeah. After that, when you say that it's show, then you press menu. So menu confirms whatever I do. So I'm done with date. I'm press menu again. I'm done with date. Okay. So then I'm gonna press the arrow key. Set time. Time was set. Trip data. Beep. Exit menu. daylight, passenger bag, service. Let me click menu and see service. 0 kilometers. Okay, you can set your service on how many, I think, kilometers you need to do service. Okay, go to arrow, volume button, save menu, you go, leave it, you leave that, press menu, press menu, press menu. Okay, volume, language, you can select even language there. Units, click there, we see distance, consumption, 1 kilometer by 1000 kilometer by 100 kilometers. Okay, I don't understand that consumption unit. Okay, language. Basically what brought us here, we're done with it. So we set the time. Let me go back to menu to say, so if you want to set up menu, whatever you want to set up, you press menu. So even if I switch off the car, you can see time is set, right? So you can close and let me start it. Okay, I'm gonna start it. Let me see. Yeah, it has the music. So this is the dashboard. It's a 2011 car. You can see beautiful dashboard. Those are your windows. You can see those are your windows. Left window. This is the aircon. Switch it on. Start giving you some. Then if you want to put it up, you do that. Gives you more. Okay. You can hear that. Switch it off. Switch it off here. You can put it on auto if you want to, right? So but now let me switch it off because this is the radio, everything's here, the controls. You can also control here and here. It also has what they call a Bluetooth me something, Blue Me. So you can use your phone to make a call, to talk and whatever. It has very good sound system. I don't know how many speakers it has. It has speakers at the here, the big ones here, and this side one here, and also those small ones there. And also I'm sure it has, you see at the back, also it has two, that side and that side, you can see. So the sound quality is pretty good, very, very good, you understand? So this is a very nice car. So, well, I think that's all I wanted to tell you guys about the time. So if you want to use it, then you know what to do. You can see the buttons are here. So but unfortunately when I point at the button, it's because of the steering, so I cannot press while you're watching both the buttons and the display. What happens is, like, I have to press this. So but whatever you need to do is you go to menu here, press that menu here. Once you press the menu, get what you want, then you scroll here. So whatever you insert and you like it, you confirm by menu, tip menu, then you find, you get me. So all those engine lights can go off when I start the car, but one here for this one is for seat belt, battery and all that, engine, whatever. So handbrake is in there. So but then there's an engine light which gives me a problem for ABS. Let me try to start the car. Maybe I've started the car. Let me see. ABS, sometimes there, sometimes it's not there. So you can see it's not there now, but sometimes it can come, and maybe when you hit the window, a pothole or something, or the car shakes, then it goes away. So if I switch on I put on the seat belt, we're not going to see anything. You can see, I'm going to take on the seat belt. Yeah, I'm going to switch on the seat belt. Yeah, you can see there is no engine light, only the one for handbrake. And also if I take it off, you can see it's off. You get me? So that's one of this, but I haven't found any major problem with this car. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.